students, in chapter number 5 we have started from exercise 5b. In this exercise the first question is we are given some fractions and we have to find out the proper fraction कि proper fractions कौन सी है. So first of all we need to know what is proper fraction. Proper fraction is that in which the number in the numerator is less than the number in the denominator. I am repeating, proper fractions have the numerator less than the denominator. So from all these numbers, the numbers having less numerator than the denominator will be proper fractions. And in second question we have to find out the improper fraction. So improper fractions are those in which the numerator is larger and the denominator is smaller. So we can see that in 3/2, 9/4, 26/26, 27/16, 19/18. These are the numbers in which either the numerator is greater than the denominator or equal to the denominator. So these are the improper fractions from given fractions. So in question number 3 we have to find 6 improper fractions with denominator 5. So we will write 6 improper fractions whose denominator will be 5 and whose numerator can be any number greater than 5. So 6/5, 9/5, 11/5, 30/5, 17/5, 19/5 are the various examples of 6 improper fraction. In question number 5 we have to convert these mixed fractions in the improper fractions. So first of all, to find out the improper fraction we will solve this mixed fraction. And to solve the mixed fraction, first of all we need to know what is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is basically formed by a whole number with a proper fraction. Whole number with a proper fraction. 5 is the whole number and 5/7 is the proper fraction, where you can see that the numerator is less than the denominator. So first of all we will solve this mixed fraction. 7 multiplied by 5 plus 5 divided by this 7. So 7 5s are 35 plus 5 upon 7 and 35 plus 5 is 40. So our improper fraction will be 40/7. In question number 6 we have to convert the mixed fractions into the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. So for that we will simply divide the given numbers. We will divide 17 by 5. The remainder is 2, the quotient is 3, and to write the mixed fraction we write the quotient as the whole number, then for the proper fraction we write the remainder upon this divisor. Quotient into remainder upon divisor. In this way you can express any fraction in the mixed fraction. In exercise 5c we will learn about the equivalent fractions.